Hello everyone. Today our topic is meaning, definition, objectives of business research as well as theory and research. The word research is derived from the Latin word meaning to know. The word research has two parts, re and search. That is, re means again and search means find, which means we are taking up an activity to look into an aspect once again, or we want to look for some new information about something. It is a systematic and a replicable process that identifies and defines problems within specified boundaries. It employs well designed method to collect the data and analyzes the results. It disseminates the findings to contribute to generalizable knowledge. In short, we can say research is an organized and systematic way of finding answers to questions. Here, we need to focus on four terms such as systematic, organized, questions, and finding answers. First one is systematic. Research is systematic because there is a definite set of procedures and steps to follow. There are certain things in the research process that are always done in order to get the most accurate results. Next one is organized. It means there is a structure or method in going about doing research. It is a planned procedure, not a spontaneous one. It is focused and limited to a specific scope. Then questions. Questions are central to research. If there is no question, then the answer is of no use. Research is focused on relevant, useful, and important questions. Without a question, research has no focus, drive, or purpose. Last one is finding answers. Finding answers is the end of all research. Whether it is the answer to a hypothesis or even a simple question, research is successful when we find answers. Sometimes the answer is no, but it is still an answer. For example, a standard recipe to prepare a particular dish may be modified by a chef to introduce the dish in new taste, flavor, or aroma by using a different method of cooking or by twisting the combination of spices used in the original recipe. At the same time, the chef may create entirely new dish with the use of same ingredients, right? Yes. Coming to the definition, according to Collins, research is systematic investigation to establish facts or collect information on the subject. And Redmond and Mori define the term research as research is systematic effort to gain new knowledge. From the definitions, it is clear that research is a process to discover new knowledge, to find answers to a question. Next, we need to know the meaning of business research. Business research is a process of acquiring detailed information of all the areas of business and using such information in maximizing the sales and profits of a business. Such a study helps companies determine what products or service is most profitable or in demand. In simple words, it can be stated as the acquisition of information or knowledge for professional or commercial purpose to determine opportunities and goals for a business. For example, a car company wants to launch a new model car in the market, but they are not aware of what are the dimensions of a car that are in most demand. So, the company conducts business research using various methods to collect information, and the same is then evaluated and conclusions are drawn as to what dimensions are most in demand. This will enable the researcher to make wise decisions to position his car at the right price in the market and acquire a larger market share. Next, let us see the purpose of research. Research is carried out for two purposes. One is the discovery of new facts, and the second, verification of old ones. The purpose of every business organization, of course, is the discovery of new facts, new relationship, and new laws governing the business phenomena. But constant verification of the old concepts is also needed, especially in dynamic business environment. Now, let us look into the objectives of research. The main goal of research is to improve the quality and level of living in the society. The purpose of the research study is to find out the hidden facts about a business phenomenon. The obvious function of research is to add new knowledge to the existing store. It serves the government and the business organizations in forming their future policies. The main objectives of a research study are understanding a business problem, identifying the cause and effect relationship, to innovate new ideas, and to improve the quality. These are all. Let us see one by one. First one is understanding a business problem. The first and foremost objective of any study is to understand, analyze, and explore a business problem. Once complete familiarity with the phenomenon is achieved, it is easier to decompose the complex problems into smaller ones. Second one is identifying the cause and effect relationship. Individuals form groups and groups form organizations. They are interdependent. It is very important for a researcher to identify the functional relationships among various components of an organization. A scientific investigation is necessary in studying the cause and effect relationship of variables involved in a business phenomenon. Next one is to innovate new ideas. One of the objectives of a researcher is to bring constant improvement in the techniques of his trade. Apart from verifying and testifying the existing assumptions, one of the functions of the research is to add new knowledge to the state of the art. Research invokes the innovation of new concepts, theories, and ideas in the business study. Apart from this, research also removes and discards worthless theories that are prevalent in the society. And the fourth one is to improve the quality. The whole exercise of any activity is done for the improvement of quality of the product, machinery, or life of human beings. For a business organization, it is almost important to improve the quality of its products. This can be achieved by a systematic and critical investigation, that is, research. In addition, the objectives of business research are to gain familiarity with the phenomenon or to achieve new insights into it. That is, studies with this purpose are termed as exploratory or formulative research studies. Second one is to portray accurately the characteristics of a particular individual, situation, or a group. So, studies with this purpose in view are known as descriptive research studies. Next one is to determine the frequency with which something occurs or with which it is associated with something else. Studies with this purpose in view are known as diagnostic research studies. Next one is to test hypothesis of a causal relationship between variables. This kind of studies are known as hypothesis testing research studies. Next, let us see theory and research. Coming to the definition, theory is generalized concept which provides an explanation to existing things. Theories are formulated to explain, predict, and understand phenomena, and in many cases to challenge and extend existing knowledge within the limits of critical bounding assumptions. The theoretical framework is the structure that can hold or support a theory of a research study. Theory allows us to explain what we see and to figure out how to bring about change. Theory is a tool that enables us to identify the problem and to plan a mean for altering the situation. Theory allows us to explain what we see and to figure out how to bring about change. Theory is a tool that enables us to identify a problem and to plan a mean for altering the situation. Examples of theories that we may have encountered or eventually will encounter in our careers, such as behavioral theory, cognitive theory, conflict theory, critical race theory, then developmental theory for both individuals as and families, then learning theory, organizational theory, psychoanalytic theory, role theory, some social learning theory, social network theory, then systems theory, etc. These are all some of the examples for theories. On the other hand, we know that research is a way of expanding the existing knowledge base and creating new knowledge. Here, doubt may arise, such as what comes first, theory or research? Actually, research and theory are two parallel processes having a reciprocal relationship. But theory comes after research because it is the research which is done before and the findings are used to formulate theory. Thank you.